Thutha wa kunyotera ihenya ria gutwikania mutito wa Mount Kenya kwa ihinda, riu ateng'eri mari na gitumi gia gukenerera thutha wa ihenya riri kurariririo tariki 20 mweri wa keeri mwaka turorete.
Athletics Kenya has hereby confirmed that they have now officially put mountain running in Meru County in the official calendar of next year 2021 February on 20th.
Giikaro-ini kia mwanya kianyitite ruhonge-ini rwa Mahenya hamwe na urugamiriri wa kaunti ya Meru kiria kiratongoragio ni gavana wa Meru Kiraito Murungi ni magathiriirie itua ria gucokereria mathako bururi-ini na maugite ni marehariria o kuigana gutigirira mahenya maya ni makinyanira na njira igwete.
So we are meeting today to review that event and also to plan how we are going to continue the mountain running championship for February next year and beyond.
We have charted the way forward in terms of structure and experience for the run for next year because the decision was unanimous that we shall hold the next run.
Muoroto wa ihenya riri ni kugania mbeca cia gwaka ceceni ya gutungatira arwaru a cancer, kuhe ateng'eri mweke mwega wa kunogora mwiri, kuonania uthaka wa kaunti ya Meru, hamwe na kuhe andu aria mari na kiroto gia uteng'era mweke mwega wa kiambiriria kia iroto ciao.
So when we are doing this center, don't think we are doing it for Meru County. We are also doing it for our neighbors.
Ceceni iyo ya kurigita arwaru a cancer itanyitwo gwakwo thibitari-ini wa Meru level 5. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Winnie Kimani.